with Food Ingredients First at IFT 2024. I'm here with John Bruggink, who's the director of Exter, and also with Lars Asferg, who's the president at Lallemand Bio-Ingredients. So welcome, Lars and John. So Exter and Lallemand Bio-Ingredients has undergone a joint venture. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, I can tell you a little bit about that. Exter is a manufacturer of flavors, typically protein-based flavors, which are also called reaction flavors. And Lallemand is a manufacturer of specialty ingredients, and we are joining forces to conquer the American market with the North American market with our products, and we've joined forces to establish that position in the American market.
So protein flavors, are you talking about flavors that go into protein, flavors that are from protein? What is that?
Well, basically they are based on proteins. So it's a flavor that is created by combining certain proteins with amino acids, with sugars, with other ingredients, and then you cook them, and then you get a certain flavor. And those are mostly savory flavors, savory taste, and they are used in all culinary applications.
Okay. So Lars, you previously were saying that your established presence in North America will enable the joint venture to craft solutions specifically tailored for targeted markets. What does that mean?
I mean, first of all, the presence of North America, Lallemand is a Canadian company, so we've been, of course, we have been present here for a long time. We have quite a lot of setup where we produce it, but we also are, of course, heavily embedded in the food industry in North America. And that means, I think, that a very important part of being successful is to understand your customers' needs, because taste is not just taste. What we taste in Europe, and it's not what the taste you want necessarily in North America. So having a local application, understanding customers, where we're able to work with a toolbox of the technology of Exter and Lallemand, able to make solutions, taste solutions that fix the North American palate is where it all comes together. So our presence and understanding and application of the market with the technology of Exter should really be a dream combination.
So is the idea that this would be more for like the plant-based market? Like the meat analog market, these types of flavors?
It's not only
or more general?
It's not only for plant-based, but of course plant-based has been and probably will be a fast-growing part of the market. So obviously that's where you need new solutions. But it's not only for plant-based, but it's an important segment for us.
Yeah. It's actually our products are used in all savory applications. So whether they're plant-based or meat-based or any kind of application, our flavors are used in.
Would your flavors be able to contribute like a relevant amount of protein actually to the final product?
Not really, because the dosage is low, and so these taste components, these flavors are low dosage, so they don't really contribute to the protein content. They're made out of proteins, but because of the low dosage, it doesn't really contribute.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. So what sort of milestones does the JV hope to achieve in the coming 5 years?
You want to answer that, Lars? Yeah?
Of course, we are ambitious, and we really want to make sure we want to make Exter North America a real, a meaningful player in the market of flavors, where we are helping our customers to innovate and bring new solutions to the market. So I think not giving a sort of market share number, but a turnover number, but we want to be, from where we are today, we want to sort of grow substantially to be seen as really the partner of the industry.
Yeah, I think we both have a presence already in the marketplace, and I think by combining our forces, we'll be stronger in the marketplace, and we'll be able to create a good position and to bring very nice products to the market. That's really our objective, to to bring innovative products to the marketplace.
So mainly to Europe and North America for right now.
Sorry?
So mainly Europe and North America.
No, we're a global company, so Exter is, and Lallemand as well. So we are operating all over the world. I mean, Asia is also an important market for us. The North American market is let's say more new to us. So we're established here, but only since a number of years. And this is for us really a major step forward in the North American market.